Bonjour, hi! Welcome to this recorded live session from Twitch. It will be a very long video, that's why I put timestamp in the description so you could skip to the part that interests you. Also, if you want to know exactly when I'm streaming, go visit twitch.tv/fbucheros. But for now, let's watch this session. Let's get started! Woo-woo! Welcome to the stream! Super excited today. It's a good stream. I'm sure of it. We'll achieve tons of stuff. So I'm Frank Boucher. Let's start by the beginning, right? So welcome to the stream. I'm Frank Boucher, your host, and today we will be doing some Azure stuff, so cloud related. We start a few days ago tools to clean up or keep clean our Azure subscription so the billing is not too big. We started to learn how to make queries, searching by tags. My sound is a little bit high, so I will just lower my volume. Should be good on your side though. And whoops, did I miss a notification? Did I miss a notification? Copper Birdie, 2 months! 2 months in a row. Yay, congrats. Thank you, it's really appreciated. Thank you. What I was saying, yeah, so we started with some queries to search, and the idea was we will inject some tags in the resources, and with those we'll be able to search and then delete all the resources that we don't want. It was not easy. We had a lot of, not a lot, we struggled a little bit. The error message is not perfect, let's keep it that way. We're using the language called Custo? I don't know how to pronounce it. Like, how do you pronounce that? Custo. In my Franglish is Custo. So let's call it Custo. So yeah, so let me share you what we have yet. So I'll go in this view, not this view. Supposed to be. Why it's not working? Did I just lost my webcam? I lost my webcam apparently. Okay, I'm back. Here I am. I don't know what happened here. Look, a little bit on the side. That's better, I think. But I lost stuff. That's not the webcam. What's happening? Like, yeah, I lost my effect. Oh no, I didn't put my green screen. Ha ha ha. Yeah. That's what happened when you don't put your green screen. Like, that's the real background. So that's why I'm square. Okay, so you know what? I will go in my corner. In my corner, here I am. Is it working properly? I think it is. Is it better this one or this one? Code like this. No, I'm not there anymore. Come on. The same, right? We'll keep it this way for today. This should be attached in here, and then stretch until we cannot see it, just like here. Perfect. Great. So let me show you what we have in this other folder. I didn't do any sound check. Let me do a sound check, Frank. Always do a sound check. Hello? Okay, I'm here. Cool. So what we have, let's go in the other project. Thank you, Copper Birdie. For one sec, I was scared that I went on alone, but you know, everything is good.
Fantastic! Oh, fantastic!
It's fantastic. As you can see, I have now a new effect. Just a few. You know, when you are too tired. So let me recap. So we need to clean up also this project because it's having multiple tools now, so we should have something a little bit more structure. But if we go in PowerShell, because we successfully did it with PowerShell, we have our Azure Graph query that runs, and it's very simple. And I don't know why it took so long to have it to work. But yeah, so we're just going where, transforming the tags expired on in a to-date. And we check if it's smaller than now, meaning the expiration expire if the expire date is past, let's put it that way, then we get the ID. With that, we'll be looping through and just deleting the resource. One thing that we'll need to do, because unfortunately the Azure Graph query doesn't return any, and my music is still loud. Is it only me, or it's... I feel like I need to yell. Or maybe it's the type of music. Anyway. Bit high. Is it better this way, Copper Birdie? So unfortunately, the Azure Search doesn't return any resource group. So we'll get stuck with some empty resource group. We'll deal with that later because it doesn't cost anything, it's just not clean. And I think like version 0.5 whatever should clean it up at least, so we have something usable that saves money right away. And then we'll make it prettier and like clean up these things, the stuff and everything. So what I would like to do today is to have this script to run, let's say, every day. So we'll explore, and I never really did play with that. I created once an instance of the how it's called, automation, but I didn't create anything. So do I have it? My thing, Doug. I don't have it. Wanna go in my repo? Power Tool. There it is, and I think I may have deleted last time. So to delete, oh no, okay, automation, auto test, it's there. Let's play with that. RunBook. create a RunBook. Type PowerShell, Python, PowerShell. Delete. Expired. Blah, blah, blah. Blah, 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 blah. Let's try again. Expired resources. That's the name of our script. And the definition: delete the expired resources. Isn't it beautiful? Great. I think I have way too much fun today. Let's create that. And once it's done, well, like I want that thing to be also deployable. Oh, we should take notes when we start. Nope, not in this project. In the notes. In the notes. In the notes. It was 016. Oh, 16. Create. Yips. Create the automation RunBook. And I will need 2 seconds to send a message to the person who just texted me. I'm sorry. I'll get back to you quickly. We'll be back. There it is. There it is. How's your week? Are you all pumped up? Like I don't know. Well, maybe it's the weather. Maybe it's the temperature. I don't know. Like maybe it's what I hate. I hate. Eight. Not hate. 8. H's. Those are hard. Oh, this is it? Okay. Let's copy paste. I don't like copy pasting my theme. We'll definitely need to get better with that. But oh yeah, though. Oh, I'm expecting. You know what? Since I'm working with Azure Search, maybe it's not available. I never thought about that. Maybe I will need to run in I could also do that. Run in a container. Like, you know, a container instance. Create that, run it, delete. But I'm assuming I could run the command to install the thing. Save. And test. I ran it with a what if? Yeah. Click start to begin. Start. Completed. Bang! The term Azure Search is not recognized. Yeah, no kidding. Okay, let's try to install it, but that's sad. Like, I will need to install it every time? The first query with PowerShell. Install it with this command. So let's run this command. And how can I edit my script? Edit RunBook. Okay. What? Just like this. So install, run the query, do your stuff. And I definitely don't need that later on though. Let's keep it this way. Save. Give me 2 seconds. Okay, so now let's test again. Start when ready. Start. Start. So chat, what are you working on? What's the plan this Wednesday? What are you doing? This music is a little bit more aggressive than usual. Whoa, 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 whoa. Okay, didn't like it, my... Oh, okay, apparently it's... Try it. So, Copperbirdie, you're trying to solve a EPERM bug with NPM package I want to install. See, I'm just trying to fix a problem with the NuGet package I'm trying to install, apparently. Same difference. Exception calling should continue. Oh, do I have a like silent mode or something? From an administrative, how can I install a module on Azure Automation? Manage module. Oh, okay, cool. Oh, like, yeah. Edit. Manlet assets. Whoa. Okay. What? The Azure Automation provides the ability to import PowerShell module in your blah blah blah. Select module. module. So we want the AZ resource graph. And apparently it's not there. Add module. I can upload a file. How can... This is really strange. Module gallery. Cool, that's the one I want. Import. Wonderful. Okay, so apparently I need account before. Okay, so let's just take some notes. Okay, so we need to add module AZ account in order to add the other one. AZ Azure Graph. Let's do something like this. That will be fun to automate too, huh? That will be a nice ARM template script maybe. So okay, let's do the AZ account. Module gallery, and I want the account. It should have like just whatever, import the command, import. Is it that simple though? The module import is in progress. So here I have import succeed. And why here it says that it's in progress? This is all. Okay, so now let's try the other one. Let's try the other one. And yes, I want it and import it. Just import it. It's not done yet. Easy account. Importing. It's not yet available. So let's wait. Yeah. So while this is importing, importing. Let's have a look to our GitHub repo. So I think I should do like on this one pager as like have a folder by tool. So here I have delete all resources. Now I have like shut down all VMs, and that one is not even explained. And I have access to this. Woo-woo. Super glad I'm part of the well, let's do this with this view. Da, da, da. I'm part of the GitHub action preview. Super happy about it. And this is really strange. Yeah, that's really cool. Really happy about that. Not now. So yeah, that script, it's not even no explanation. I'm assuming I did a blog post about it. I don't remember. Come on, refresh. Available, yes, yes. Module gallery, and we want to import the Azure Graph. Click, 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 import. Spin, spin, spin. Wait, wait, wait. Now, yep, it's available. Hello, Brett Miller. Like, I don't see why I don't see your I don't know what you can I see it here? Hype. Why I don't see it? I don't see it in my chat. How are you? Nice to see you. I feel like it's been forever. Been busy, I'm assuming, Mr. Brett Miller. So we're building that tool that will clean up automatically our Azure subscription for us. We created a nice Azure Graph query, and now we're trying to build an automation manually to see if it's working. And then, I don't have the in then but music. And then we'll script everything so it could be deployed in your subscription with just like a deploy to Azure button. But for now, we're waiting while module are importing. That's what we do. We're waiting. I have a waiting thing. I don't. But we'll be waiting. And then, exactly. And then we'll do the thing. Available. Cool. So now we can try again. So let's go in overview. No, RunBook. And delete expired resources. That's our RunBook. And we'll go in. Apparently I need to go in the edit to try it. And we'll test. So this is our script. Very simple. Took forever to create, but very simple. Isn't it always when things are simple, it takes time to understand? That's great. Oh, yeah, I need to start. If I'm waiting right away, it will be very long. So, what have you been, what are you doing, Mr. Brett? Busy? Is it better? Oh no, like now I'm yeah, this is bad. I forgot to delete the row. Can I stop it? No. Need to wait until it fails. I forgot to update to remove the install. Well, learning. Who said that learning was easy? But I'm sure they say learning is fun. That's why we're learning. Come on, come on, come on. That's way too long. Can I stop that thing? Stop it. Stop. There's no stop. It's queued. Don't run. Save. Been playing with Terraform and Logic App and converting the Logic App to easy function. Oh. You don't like? Well, it depends. Like if you have more people, dev function is feel more comfortable. If you have less coder, then Logic App is sometimes more a better fits. Let's put it that way. But that's sad. Using hybrid RunBook. We need to wait. We should. You know what? Let's. Well, I don't want to. Ambient squirrel, I think now. I didn't know that. So Logic App resources for Terraform are very limited. Logic App resources for them. That's unfortunate. How can I? This is long. This is long. Update states. It's not what I want. Activity log. That's cool. I see all the updates. Connection variable. Stop. I don't have any VMs. I don't have any VMs. I don't. Oh, you know what? What I didn't do? I need to stand up more. So let's do this while we're waiting. I'll bring you with me. And I will stop before break everything. Raise my good. This a bit more maybe. And voila! We're up. Let's move the webcam a little bit. Hey, hello! I'm here with you.
I got a bad feeling about this.
No, it will be fine. It will be fine. Okay, let's have a look. Inventory. Oh. Is it boiling? Set at the log analytics. Oh, I don't want to log analytics right now. Change tracking. RunBooks. I'm assuming it's job. No job. Status new. Japan. Okay. Looks like someone didn't look when he created this stuff. I'm in Japan. Been traveling a lot these days. I could delete it and recreate it, because now why can I, like, it's not running. Schedule maybe? No. No. Can I see it in the RunBook? Jobs? What's running? Like, control. Oh. So I could have my script in the source control and just like, pretty cool. State configuration. No, always I thought, this is it. No. Okay, let's delete this RunBook. We'll recreate it. Boom. Create a new RunBook. We'll call it date expired. It will be a PowerShell thing. Eventually we'll get there. Voila. So I don't need this. Should I keep it? Let's keep it. Save. Now test. Click start to begin. I cannot click start. We're disabled. Is it because I'm in Japan? Jobs show previous runs. Yeah, I did. Went in jobs and it was empty. No jobs. Because it was not even run. It was scheduled. Not scheduled, queued. Maybe because I'm in Japan. Why it's not working? Edit. Test. Okay, now we have it. Start. Queued. Hopefully it's not. It failed. Yeah, okay. So on show test job, the actual, okay. Well, it failed because I'm not connected, and I think I saw something like run as a account or something. Run as an account. So run as an account is that Azure provide authentication on our sources. Not that the creation of the error or after the security. How do you do that? Connection? Credential? Add credential? Azure automation. I'm assuming I won't do Azure login. Have a look at PowerShell sample RunBook. Like in the doc, you mean on the portal? Because I saw there's RunBooks, I think.
Yes, you're very quite tough. Always having bad luck. You think you're going
In the portal. So this one? No, this is this one, I'm assuming. Let's have a look.
Can't imagine how you feel. Only you know that it's real. Don't look back, just carry on, carry on, carry on.
Oh, did I pick the good one? I think I did. Third from the top. Yes. Let's minimize this. Scroll, can we see more? A little bit better. So, create the connection. Azure Run As connection. What? Connection name and try catch block. Yeah. So that's, I'm assuming, the name of the connection declared previously. So I should just use this, right? connection name. So service principal connection, get the automation connection of this, and then what? It's using the RM account. I thought RM was all removed. I thought it was just the other day my okay. Okay, then it's this thing I need. Let's. You're saying I need something like this. You know what? Before I go too far, let's just. I didn't read it completely, so just have a look. And now, just like, yeah, get the resource, same I was doing. I could do something like, this is bad though, but get the resource group. Because after I will need to delete, I'm deleting resources, I will need a way to delete empty resource group. So let's go and edit. Cool! Property, you solve your problem. This is awesome. No, I have a better one. I have.
Fantastic! Oh, fantastic!
So who's that? You know? The fantastic. Who's speaking? Let's get good. This is a little bit aggressive. Explore new music. Let's do something like this. And like this. A bit smoother. Oh. Oh, damn, Azure Search still not working. Do I still need to import stuff? Oh, that's the thing. Yeah, okay, I need to do it, but without the Azure RM. Yeah. Exactly. So all that magic thing, I need to change it. Like this is, so this is good, but this is bad. So what's this one but in the is it just this? Let's search. Oh. Well. Application ID. Meaning that it didn't find anything, or? It's the third parameter you had in... Oh, did I miss something? Oh yeah, okay, application ID cannot be found. Oh. I don't like... Was it me or like... It looked like it failed there, but... Yeah, application ID is here. So here, Azure account. So application ID, it's not there. So I have environment, credential, tenant. Edit. Tenant, application. Certificate thumbprint. So I have tenant ID. Credential and tenant. Could I use credential? Could I use... Can we mix both? I don't think so, huh? Can I use the... Because you were saying like I could use both the AZ and the Azure RM. Never tried that though. Is it possible? You need to change the duck you're looking at. Oh. Yeah, easy resources. Oh no, that's remove. Oh, that's Azure, you're right. Of course you're right. So I want add account. So it's easy account. Add, I'm assuming.
Show you the paper. I can buy that house for you later. But you say you don't need that at all. This world is ours for the taking. Just me and you got me thinking. I swear we already made it. Cause no one's got what we got. We hit it up on rooftops. No matter what they say, we will do this our way. For the dollars, just for the thrill of it, nothing counterfeit with you, just the thrill of it, just for the thrill of it, nothing counterfeit with you, just the thrill of it, just for the thrill of it. Just for the thrill of it, nothing counterfeit with you, just the thrill of it. Just for the thrill of it, nothing counterfeit.
Provider.
Just the thrill of it. Just for the thrill of it. Just for the thrill of it.
Oh, that's a lot of text. Okay, so let's catching up. So the ducks, okay, I saw that. 4. You need to change. Okay, I did it. Well, I not did it, but I'm searching. So remove. What I want is Azure RM. Equivalent. That's what I want. Let's connect. Add. AZ and Azure RM can't exist in the same session. Yep, okay, so AZ module has shared dependency with the AZ account. Yeah, well, I saw that I needed to add it. So AZ account, maybe I could search that AZ account. It might have renamed to set. No, we looked at it. It was aliases. So add was alias to set in the Azure some AZ RunBook. This is AZ resources. Assuming there's AZ account. Since no accounts. Yes. So connect. Could it be that? So I have the credential that I don't have, and tenant. Et voila. So that's connect AZ account, and I have what I need. Let's remove this page. We'll put it down below just to validate that we have everything we need, and we'll move this one up a little. Come on. Can't move it? Why can't I move it? Move! Why are you not moving? I need to move. Move, move, move. There it is. Move it this way. So now instead of add Azure account, we'll do a connect AZ account. Service principal. Service principal was there. Tenant ID. It's now just tenant. Should check if it's the. Let's put just tenant for now, but we need to validate if it's expecting like this. I'm assuming it's the same thing. Application ID is the application ID. It was there. Oh. Where is it? Ah, it's okay. Application ID, application ID, certificate template, certificate template. Okay, so we have it. And after that, let's look better. Let's see. Let's see if it's working. That's definitely my first automation script. I don't know why I didn't do it before. I remember a long time ago I had a cron job running because we had no option in the cloud. Okay, so it's still an error. This is also very tiny. So remove AZ resource, the term is not recognized. What? What? Should definitely put also so why this is not what? Easy resources. Do we need to import that one too? let's move that one back here, extend this. Let's import it. Module, where it was. Up. Module, or module gallery. Now we search for AZ resources. And apparently we need to import it. Okay. Fine. And now we'll go in modules. And it's importing. That will be interesting. Like, why?
Just keep breathing now, don't run away. We can still figure it out. Why do I do this? Why do I push you down?
Did I? So automation is really more the old way then. You need to import everything. It's all Azure RM, Azure RM. Importing. We want to do some output also. Like, I don't know, something like in PowerShell. Is it like this? Oops. Yeah. Okay, let's go back in here. Is it done yet? It's done. Let's go back in our RunBooks. Let's go delete, expired, edit. Let's corrupt or create script with this new line. So we have some outputs. Save it and test it. And let's start it. Should bring a huge bottle of water. If I drink too much, then I will need to do a pit stop. I had 3 meetings before going stream, so I've been talking for a while. Come on! And now I know that I kept the what if condition. It was just, you know, if I want to run and run and run, resources won't be deleted for real. So that's why I kept the what if parameter in my delete. Just as you know. It's not a mistake. That part is not a mistake. None of it was. It's just, you know, I want to teach you stuff. I want to learn. It's promising. It's slow. When it takes time, it's good, right? Usually it fails fast. Oh, I've been queued. So I'm not even running yet. Come on, come on. It's all good. It's all good. So, anybody found the source of my fantastic sound effect? Let me replay it one more time. Hold it. You know what? We'll just pause the music. Okay.
Fantastic! Oh, fantastic!
So who's speaking in this sound effect? Can you tell me? You should, like, Copper Birdie, like, you should be able to recognize that. It's on your side of the world, of the sea. No idea. Okay. Well, I don't know the actor. I know the person, like the. I don't know, like the act. Yeah, I don't know the actor. I know the character. So it's Doctor Who. It's coming from Doctor Who. Is it a show you watched? I love Doctor Who. The reboot. Loved it. Come on, come on. When I was a kid. Yeah, but I just watched it. Like, I think they did a reboot in 2005 or 2010, 15, like recently. And oh, I don't know. Like the Doctor Who presently, I think it's a woman. But the first one, I was not sure about the companion. But like, oh, you mean the actor? I don't know. I don't know which one it is. I think it could be the first since the reboot. Probably. He was really good. That David, it was an awesome Doctor Who. Let's listen one more time.
Fantastic!
Yeah, I think it's him.
Oh, fantastic!
No, I'm not the best one with a British accent, but yeah, I love that show. I didn't know about. In fact, like, I knew that show. It was playing on translated. It was playing on like TVs, but I was watching a few episodes. You know, not with like all the time, and it didn't hook me up. And then I decided I was listening a podcast, and the guy said, "Oh, like, if you're a IT guy and you're not watching Doctor Who." And it's like you didn't discover yourself yet. Not sure it translates good, but whatever. And anyway, so I start watching it from season 1 of the reboot, and I got hooked. Yeah, the Good Omens. I didn't watch it yet, so it's good. You say? Right now, I'm very, very close. I think I'm like 5 episodes to finish the next generation of Star Trek. I was waiting to do that for a long time, and I start, and I'm not watching. Well, it's not true. I watch few other things in the middle, but I need to finish this, and after that I have Stranger Things 3, season 3 I want to watch. And this is long. Come on, like queuing. This is long. I'm impatient. I want to see if it's working. What can we do while waiting? We could try again to fight that fight, since we have Mr. Brett Miller with us. Maybe it will help. And PowerShell, what I want to do is, like, we had the let's see, this, I don't need that. I shouldn't have closed them. resources. I want to list all the empty resource group because once, eventually, when we got to run, the two companies that were making the Star Trek series have now merged. So there's possibly more spin-offs. But there's a show like Picard that it started, I think. And the new TV show on Netflix is not bad. It's, you know, I watched it, the season 1, and then that's when I thought I should watch the old episode. And I was looking, search online to see what was the best Star Trek series. I already watched all episodes of like the original first one a long time ago, and I must say, like, maybe it will end with a flop, but yet I'm very happy with that next generation series. Okay, so I wanna. It's the. Do we have? So this is the resources. So what I want to do is not what I want to do, but what we need is to delete the empty resource group, because right now we are deleting at the resource level. So I'm assuming we might have some group that are left with some resources, because maybe like I was deleting everything except the storage, but maybe some resource group will be completely empty. So I should have something that delete those resource group. And yeah, so I think it's that one. This is the longest queue ever. Though let's see. I think I will need to. I don't want to loop. I would like to have like, hey, give me all the resource group. Not like all the resource and then loop if the count of whatever. This is sad if I need to loop. In resources, you know what? One thing I didn't do is just try to Google it.
What? I got a bad feeling about this.
This is long. Okay. how can I Google it correctly? So I don't know. That's why I deleted it previously. And I cannot stop it. Like, it's free resources. I think I'm running the free SKU. I could bump it up though. Is it free? Like Japan? Maybe because I'm in Japan. Yeah, right now it's basic. Should be enough. It's not free, it's basic. Because I don't want to create another one, another country, just in case if the Japan is the problem. Because I will need then to re-import everything. Date management? I don't think so. Maybe I should publish it and run it. It won't do anything anyway. Maybe I should do that. Just we won't know. You know what? Let's publish. Yeah. Cool. So it's working.
Yay!
It's working. I should have put something like done. Thank you all. Y'all. Okay, so now I can already have something that runs. Like, that's cool. Like, it's a little bit long because you need to copy paste, but you know, I could document that and it will be easier. It's still not the one-click deployment, but it's cool enough. And like if we want to run that, I'm assuming I could schedule something, and I want to schedule and morning cleanup. Let's say morning cleanup and start tomorrow at 5 a.m. is good. Canada East run recurring. I want you to run every, not hour, please. Every 2 day is good enough. And I will set an expiration. What? Oh, 2020. Woo! I had a few delivery to be done before the end of the week. And I thought the end of the week was today for at least like for a little while, because in 2020 apparently today is Friday. Ooh, you got me worried here. Do I seriously? Can I just... Okay. So let's say next week. Great. So I'm expecting that to be running every second day. Thank you, by the way, Copper Birdie. I think I didn't thank you. So thanks. So this is cool. Like it's all working now. We just need to clean up. Delete all of your empty resource group. Ah, that's exactly what I want. What? Okay. Like he's looping, but he's also using the RM resource group. And then he's looking like, oh, this is what I don't want to do. Like I don't want to loop through, say, oh, like give me all the resource. If it's 0, then yeah, delete. Must have a way to be more efficient. Oh no. Oh, is it better? So get the resource group. Yeah, it pipes them, but it's the same thing. Without. How to remove all resources in a resource group without... No, that I know already. I want to remove the resource group. Without looping. Worst case, we'll be looping, but this is sad if we need to do that. Yeah. It's looping. Looks like I will need to do that too. I don't want it to. But I don't want it to. I don't want it to do that. Okay, so this is the code that is working. Let's do another temporary file. New file. Delete empty resource group.ps1. And I just want to run that in here. So we say, oh, I can inspire myself of that thing, right? So let's do, you know what, let's, so, it's there, okay. So, get resource group. Does this exist? I think I just close it, right? Get AZ group. So we want this. If I run this, let's clean the screen. If I run this, oh yeah, PowerShell first. And yes, I'm in Linux as usual. So it lists all my resource group with everything. I should delete. No, not exit. PowerShell. Oops. So this thing. So get AZ resource group. Now if, oh no, I don't want this, I want that, so this, so for each resource in resource group, get the names, and then I think it was this. I should close this. Right? Now it's complaining about this. Where object? Now, do I have resource empty resource group? I don't think so. I let's create one. Resource group. And we'll create it here. Just create it, please. And let's create another one. Make it in Canada. Create. Cool. So now we have at least 2. So let's run this script. So let's put in the terminal. That's cool. So now it's just delete. Now I need to run PowerShell. Great. And now I need to do the oh yeah, it's AZ resources, right? Get AZ resources, yeah. My bad. I did forget to remove this. Come on. There it is. Now clear. Save. Get AZ resources. Cool. Another victory. It's sad though that we need to loop, and I'm not sure. Should I go with the where object? I uncomfortable with yeah. And now we need the delete resource group or remove. Yep. Oh, that's cool. So I pass the name, and it will be, of course, the name. And I should pass force. Should put the what if. The thing is, like, I don't think I need the force. As job API version. What if confirm? I wonder if I need to say confirming I'll equal no. This command will... So here the command that will prompt. Okay, cool. So here name get this remove. Okay. this command use the get resource command to get the resource group and then pass it to run by using the pipeline operator. The variables command parameter gets status information about the operation. The force must suppress the confirmation prompt. Okay, so then what's the in background? Confirm. Prompt you for confirmation before. Okay, so if I ask, okay, no, I want to force the confirm, I want to be quiet. Okay, cool. So, no, not in this one. Where I am. This one, Power Tool. So I want this loop. I'm not sure I want to. So like this. So definitely copy this at the end of that one. This we should write output. It's maybe better. Write log maybe. This so let's change that inner script. Come on, what page? So let's go back in the to delete. Let's go and auto test. And after that, I think we're done, but Friday will be automating the deployment of that thing. That could be fun, so we need to check what's possible. Because we need to import 3 modules. And yeah. So create the automation instance, create a RunBook, push the code, add 3 modules. Had the schedule. There's a lot to create. That would be fun. So let's edit it. I want to remove that line. You know what? Let's keep that line. Put this. And let's save it. Let's see if we are lucky and do the test. Test pane. Running. Or not queued. Or getting lucky. And I want to see the difference between the output just right away, the log, and the fails. Right, logs didn't like it. Okay. Well, apparently I'm not writing the logs. Okay, cool. But otherwise it worked. I think I should put like just blah blah is empty, deleting it. Edit. So right log is not cool, apparently. This is better. And here it was just doing instead blah blah is empty. Deleting it. I love it. Though right now it's not deleting anything because of my what if. So if you didn't follow since the beginning, what if it runs but it doesn't do the thing? Just act like if it was doing the thing. It's very practical, very useful when you're debugging, because otherwise you need to delete, create, delete, create, delete. So now I'm just like, hey, can you delete it? But eventually I should run it what if to see if I have permission issues or other stuff. But this is awesome. This is
Fantastic! Oh, fantastic!
Am I abusing? Maybe. I have another one also. I have
Go now! Don't drop the banana! Why not? Good source of potassium!
Don't drop the banana. I was looking for something and that one make me laugh. So I used it. So this is my script. Whoop, whoop. Okay, let's have a look. Let's go here in the notes. I just want to make a notes that like we create an, oh yeah, we need also, yeah, we need this. This is like we definitely need to do that. So let's I completely forget. That was not a goal. That was in the to do, right? Like we did that the very bad way, but it's done. Like the error will be log. It's not elegant, but it's good enough. Cool. So now at this moment what I want to do is search. So how long we're in? 1:53. I really need to update my game on that. Export. Let's export the ARM template to be scared a little. See what's in it. So let's go in the portal. So everything is on. Let's publish that thing. Great. Great. Fantastic. Fantastic. Practicing my British accent. Really bad at it. I should practice not having a French accent. That would be better. Damn squirrel. Okay. So let's. Where is it? They changed the name, and now every time I look for it because they change the name to make it obvious. Oh, where is it? Export. Yeah, export. Every time. Oh yeah, export makes sense. Every time, right? Yeah. Whoa, there's a lot of stuff in there. Yeah, let's copy paste it. And we have a folder here, so let's create a new file. We'll call it export ARM template. Exported, and it's a JSON file, and we'll paste that thing there. And now we can cry. Oh my god. Parameters. Okay. So resources, automation account, so that's fine, that makes sense. Certificate, yeah. So create 2 certificates, I probably only need 1. Then connections. Okay, 2 connections. Oh, do I need a certificate? I need the connections. And then what's connection type? What's that thing? I don't know what it is. Okay. And then after that, another connection type, okay, now no. Connection type. Okay, it's kind of going with, like, tenant and blah blah blah, okay. And then I have the jobs, so that's all the, I'm assuming, that's the one we created, but that's the other one. Oh, module. So wait. So you stack job and module? Okay. Like, I don't need that one, I think. Okay, and I definitely don't need the AZ one. Okay, so now it's like I definitely not need that. So maybe I will start from scratch and move stuff around. That looks like a great plan. That would be awesome. That will be awesome. And also we need to clean up our repo because right now it's ugly. Let's go in the thing. So in the to-do, we want to create an ARM template. Create an ARM template to deploy, because at the end we want the deploy to Azure button, right? And we also want structure or clean up the GitHub project to make sense of the like 3 tools. So oh, you know what? Let's put new keyboard, new shortcut, clean up / structure the GitHub to make sense of the 3 tools script. Yes, great. Oh, and we need to add the follower because Mr. Copperbirdie, you renewed your subscription for a 2nd month. Two months. Was it what it was mentioned? Yeah, 2 months. I put a capital M, they put cool. Subscribe for 2 months. You know what? Let's keep the Twitch way to say things. Great. And no new followers today. It was quiet on this things. Oh, Mr. Copperbirdie cheered again. Like, you're the superhero of the showman today. I think it was 10 bits. Was it 10 bits? And how come, like, it's supposed to be free, right? I thought it was supposed to be free. Was it free? Oh, okay, the yeah. Well, thank you, sir. Thank you. Let's you know what? Let's put it this way, like in the chat. Copper Birdie play applause for 10-bit, and I'm very happy about that because it's working. I forgot my green screen, but at least this is working. Great. This is awesome. I'm really happy about this stream. And let's go in the should go this way. I need to get some good habits. So now let's just see what we can raid, have some fun. So who's there? So we have Talk to Me Ghostman is look online. So let's raid him. So please send him some cloud thumbs up and some love. We'll have some fun with him. I don't know what he's doing, but I'm sure it's interesting. I'm always happy to catch him because most of the time he starts streaming when I'm about to go into bed. So without any more blah-blahing, I will see you on Friday. Bye guys!